So I have a chapter on this in my book because we want to question this entire concept of rejection. Rejection means it feels bad and there's something wrong with you or there's something wrong with me. And actually there's nothing wrong with you and there's nothing wrong with me. It's just not a match. So when I was conventionally dating, I had the same fears. I was always really afraid. What if I'm friendly to someone and they like me then? And I really, after I was practicing this, I really felt like it was in total congruity to just say, hey, I had a lovely time with you. I don't really see it going anywhere, but thanks for the wonderful talk. And I'm not rejecting them. I'm not getting into a weird thing of I have to tell them something awful, because I'm not telling them something awful. The fact is you're not going to match with almost everyone you date. Almost everyone you date is not the one. The one is going to be one person, two. How many times do we get into a committed relationship? 3, 8, however many times we're going to get into a committed relationship in our life is very much smaller than the number of people we're going to date. So the question is, do you hold those other people as rejects? Or do you just say, hey, you can say it at the end of the date. You don't have to wait for this horrible moment. You just say, hey, I enjoyed this a lot. I don't really see us continuing, but I think and then whatever you think. But if we're holding it as, oh my God, I have to reject this person. Oh my God, it's a horrible thing that this person likes me. No, it's a lovely thing that they like me. It's not a match for going forward, but that's nothing wrong with that. We hold that. We're coming at it with the idea that there's something wrong with that. And that's what gets translated. I'm rejecting you. That's the energy that's being communicated in the way we've been taught. And if we get rid of this idea that it's not a rejection, it's just not a match, because a match is a needle in a haystack, I'm not finding you wrong that we didn't connect. And it's always being taught to us that if it doesn't connect, there's something wrong. They didn't connect with me. Women often meet a guy, I'm sure guys do the same thing, and we liked him, probably because he was conventionally good looking, and he didn't call us. Oh my God, we go immediately into victim posture. I'm not pretty enough, don't we? It's always that we're not pretty enough. And it's like, he just didn't connect. It's not a rejection, doesn't mean anything negative at all. And who cares if he thinks we're pretty? Who cares? I'm going to find the guy who does. Okay? So we've been indoctrinated that that's a very painful process and experience, and it doesn't have to be. And if we don't carry it as painful, the other person is responsible for their own feelings, but we're not communicating dislike or rejection to them. And then we had a lovely time, which by working on ourselves we did. I used to go on dates too at the beginning of all this, and I'd think, oh God, how long do I have to be here with this person? Because I already know he's not the one. No, let's have a great time, we're here. Didn't work out? Of course it didn't work out, it hardly ever does. Nothing wrong with you or me.